Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your login password into your laptop in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, if you click on enter and give your password, and then if you want to change the password, just click on your start icon and then go for settings. After that, you will get an option here your left side called accounts. Click on that, and then you will get an option called sign in options. So click on sign in options. So now if you want to change the pin, just click on this pin over here and then go for change pin. So click on that and then give your older pin. Check your new pin over here.
The campus with the dates.
And then click OK. After that, your PIN is now changed. So yeah, this is how you can change your PIN code or password into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.